Hello, I've been using this Fluke multimeter for a few years now. It's Fluke model number 87. It has some nice ends here. You can put it in whatever you're needing to measure. It has AC voltage, DC voltage. It also does ohms, millivolts. There's millivolts. There's ohms, looks like another DC, and milliamps, so it does amps too. So it also has like a tone thing, so like if you got a short, you can hear it beeping, so it knows you got a short. So it does all kinds of things. It's got a cool little stand. This if you need to set it on something, it has a nice little kickstand here, so you can set it up like that by itself. So if you need a multimeter, Fluke is a very well-known brand. They've been around for a long time, and I've had this for many years, and it just keeps working. So if you need a multimeter, I would recommend this Fluke meter. Thanks.